Hello and welcome to presono. This video is all about the question, what is a template set? A template set is a collection of backgrounds and layouts that follow the same design guidelines. Only templates from the same set can be used together as a template for a slide. Backgrounds define the fixed components of slides. Here you can place content that should not be changed afterwards, like your personal design elements or your logo. Layouts determine the appearance and positioning of individual content. When you create a slide, you can fill the different areas with your texts, videos, images or documents. Now you can start designing your own template sets for your slides. Have fun presenting them!